Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate that constructor overriding is not possible in Java. So let's get started. Before I explain why this constructor overriding is not possible in Java, let me first explain what exactly is overriding. In one of the previous sessions, I covered method overriding. Okay, as part of this overriding topic, I covered method overriding in one of the earlier or previous sessions of this course. But what exactly is this method overriding that I covered in the earlier sessions? Let's say there is a parent class. In that parent class, there is a method. Now, for that parent class, there is a child class. In the child class of that parent class, we have the exact same duplicate method. Okay, whatever the method that is there in the parent class is now duplicated in the child class. That is a duplicate copy of the parent class method is there in the child class. Then that duplicated child class method is said to override the method in the parent class. Okay, then only we can say that that particular method in the child class is overriding the method in the parent class. And this concept is called as method overriding. Without any error, we can duplicate a method in the parent class inside the child class. And that duplicated method is called as overridden method. And this concept is called as method overriding. Now, similarly, is this overriding concept is applicable for the constructors or not? Okay. For methods, it's okay. But for constructors, is it applicable? The answer is no. Method overriding, we don't have constructor overriding. I'll explain why. Okay. So with all practical demonstrations, I'm going to explain. First, I'll give a practical demonstration of method overriding. Then I'll show you why constructor overriding is not possible in Java. Okay. So here, guys, I'm going to create a new package, guys. Let me create a new package. Just give me a second. Okay. Let me create a new package here. Okay. So I'll name this package as package N, some random name. And under this, I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class as, let's say, class X. Okay, you can give any name. With main method, I'll create. The only purpose I'm creating this class with the main method is, what if I want to run the code? I can use this, okay? So ignore this part for a while. Focus on what I'm trying to create below this particular class. This class I have created only for running the code purpose, okay? If I have to run, I can run, okay? That's the reason I have created this class with main method. But actual topic starts from here, okay? Whatever I'm going to write the code here that explains this particular method overriding and constructor overriding is not possible. Why? That will be explained here below. So I'm going to create a class, guys. Class, name of the class, let's say animal class, okay? Let's say the name of the class is animal class. Now here, another class, and the name of the class is, let's say, dog. Here, you see, in the animal class, I'm going to create a method, guys, public void eat method, okay? In the animal class, I'm going to create a method known as public void eat system.out.println. Here I'll be printing animal is eating. Animal is eating. Now here, under the dog class, okay, under the dog class, I'm going to create the same duplicate method, whatever the method which is there in the parent class. Here, dog is not the child of the animal it. Okay, before I create this method, first of all, understand that these two classes are independent classes. To make this dog class a child class of the animal class, after the dog, I have to write extends animal. Extends animal you write. After that, you try to create a method, public void eat method you create. The same exact same method, I'm duplicating that in the child class of this parent class. Okay, in the parent class already we have the method. The same method of the parent class I'm duplicating in the child class. Okay, so to confirm that whether this particular method is really overriding this particular method in the parent class, I can add this annotation, guys. At the rate override annotation I can add. If I'm not getting any error, that means that the method in the child class is a duplicate method of the parent class, or the method in the child class is overriding the method in the parent class, and this concept is called as method overriding. So for methods, method overriding is possible where for a parent class method, I can create a duplicate copy of that method in the child class. And this concept is applicable for methods. So method overriding is there. But what about the constructors? You see here, I'm going to create a constructor, guys, animal. Okay, public animal I'm going to create. Okay, I'm going to create a constructor known as animal. Now, if I want to duplicate this particular constructor in the child class, okay, if I want to duplicate this, I'm going to explain why the constructor overriding is not possible. If I have to override this particular constructor by creating a duplicate copy of this particular constructor, I'll copy this and paste in the child class. You see, immediately I'm going to get an error because there is a rule in constructor. What is that rule, guys? The name of the constructor should match with the name of the class. You see, I can create this constructor with this animal name inside the animal class. But if I want to override this animal constructor, I need to create the same animal constructor in the child class, which is not possible, right? This cannot be treated as constructor actually. Because constructor should have the same name as a class name. Even though it is child class, here, if I write dog, then it is allowed. I can create a constructor inside the dog class if the name of the constructor is matching with the name of the class. But here, if I have to override this constructor in the parent class, in the child class, if I have to override the constructor which is there in the parent class, what I have to do? In the child class, I have to create the constructor having the same animal name, which is not possible. Because as per Java, constructor should have the same name as a class name. So is it possible, tell me guys, because of these rules, is it possible in Java to override the constructors? Is it possible? No, it's not possible because I cannot create a duplicate copy of this constructor in the parent class. In the child class I cannot create because child class has a different name, parent class has a different name. So there is no possibility of overriding the constructors in child classes. Okay, we cannot create a duplicate copy of the constructors in the child classes because the child class constructors will have their own names, parent class constructors will have their own names, because of which overriding of constructors is not possible in Java. Methods can have their own names, right? You see, the methods don't have to match with the class names. Here, eat is a different name, animal is a different name. Can't. So here also I can create eat is a different name, dog is a different name. So it's okay. It's possible for us to create duplicate methods of the parent class in the child classes. So overriding of the methods is possible, but it's not possible for us to create a duplicate copy of the constructors in the child classes because the child class constructor should have the same name as the child class name only. Okay, which will actually not make us possible to create or to override the constructors. So hope guys you understood. Hope guys you understood why constructor overriding is not possible in Java. Okay. So the reason why the reason why constructor overriding is not possible in Java is, okay. The reason why constructor overriding is not possible in Java is constructors should have the same name as a class name. Okay, constructor should have the same name as a class name. Hence we cannot create a duplicate copy of the parent class constructor in the child class. Okay, because we cannot create a duplicate copy of the parent class, because of which constructor overriding is not possible in Java. Okay, this is what is the thing you need to understand. So with practical demonstration, I explained why constructor overriding is not possible in Java in this session. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.